my dear friends. Today I am going to show you how to make a slip knot. A slip knot is a starting loop that helps us begin every crochet project. So, once again, I welcome you to Crochet Cuddles by Adi. Whether you are a beginner or a crochet lover, let's create something beautiful together. Okay, let's start making the slip knot. For making the slip knot, we need a yarn and a hook. Take your yarn and create a small loop, leaving a short tail end. A small loop. This is a loop. This is a working yarn and this is the short tail. Okay? Now, bring the working yarn through the loop to create another loop. Hold the new loop and gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the knot. Now place the loop onto your crochet hook and then pull the working yarn gently until the loop fits comfortably around your hook. Remember, the loop should slide easily, no too tight and no too loose. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on your first try. Crochet is all about practice, patience and enjoying the process. Let's try it one more time, nice and slow. First, make a loop with your yarn. Now, pull a loop of the working yarn through the first loop. Now gently pull the yarn tail to tighten the knot. Place the loop onto your crochet hook and finally pull the working yarn until the loop fits snugly around the hook. And that's it! You have made your first crochet slip knot. In the next video, we will learn how to make the foundation chain. If you enjoyed this beginner's crochet lesson, subscribe to Crochet Cuddles by Adi and join me on this handmade journey. Thank you!